A guide you to watch YouTube while using other apps. Firstly, you need to go to YouTube, and from there you need to tap on profile, and here you can go for Get YouTube Premium, and you can tap on Get YouTube Premium, and after that you can complete the payment. So let's say if you have got that YouTube Premium, you can go to the settings. In the general, you could find picture in picture, and let's say if you can't find this, you can go to the settings. In settings, you can search for picture in picture, and here it is. You can tap on that, and from there you can search for permissions of picture in picture, and which check for YouTube has been allowed for that or not. You can go to YouTube, and from there here you can see for YouTube allow picture in picture has been toggled on, and that is allowed for YouTube. And if you are on YouTube Premium, and let's say if you have closed your YouTube and you need to see YouTube on other videos, if you toggle on picture in picture, and later on you need to get that YouTube Premium, after that you can watch YouTube while using other apps. Thank you.